Right. Let's do it again. Hey, you ready to do it again, Hugo? In a minute. Okay, you just find your bullet. I found my bullet. It was right in the web. Ah! Wait a minute, Red. Start the video again. Start the video. No. Hello, guys. We are called Hugo. I'm Hugo and he's Red.
It's still the same video, Dad.
So starters, we're going to blast our bullets on top, on the clouds if we can. But there's no clouds here yet, so we need to wait. Okay, so even if Fred can have a sleepover, that's fine. so that's why. So we're shooting these up in the sky, and if it lands on one of the clouds, then we have to do it. Okay, Red, come on! Subscribe and push the like button, and also comment down below if you don't know who Sonic is. Yeah, Sonic is who we are. Or the bad Knuckles. Or the bad Knuckles, yeah. Or the bad Sonic. Yeah. Go! Mine landed somewhere over here. Mine landed here. Oh. What did it do there? Another video, okay? Only one more, Harriet, okay? Only one more.
It's the same video, buddy.
Okay. So let's do that again. So we are Hugo and Rui and me. So we are gonna shoot these up in the sky. At the end. If it lands on the roof, it doesn't matter because they're only having a chill. So take it away. And we are Hugo and Red on the roof. Subscribe at the end of the video. Subscribe and smash the subscribe button. And if you don't know who we are, just comment, okay? Because we're going to shoot these at the roof and you shouldn't be doing that. Comment down below. Bad tails. Leave a like. Hey guys, hurry up. Leave a poo-poo like. Hey, Red, hurry up. I'll go shoot in 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We only had 2. So that's all our subscribers. Bye, guys. Now just subscribe. Just subscribe. At the end, okay, guys? Bye. This is the last one.
Say bye, Red.
Bye, Red. Bye, you bum face.